class, this is Holly Moran again. So first off, I found it really difficult to narrow down my discussion to just one environmental health issue because I found there to be so many important ones throughout this class. But however, during week 1, when I was reading chapter 1, I was really struck by the topics of urbanization and population growth and how these factors have impacted the environment, specifically how they have contributed to outdoor air pollution. So according to the World Health Organization, outdoor air pollution causes 3.8 million premature deaths annually. About 80% of these deaths are related to cardiovascular diseases, and the other 20% are due to respiratory illnesses and cancers that is related to the exposure to fine particulate matter. Toxicological studies have shown that airborne particulates contribute to the health effects that I discussed, mainly through inflammatory and oxidative stress-related processes. Particulate matter is just one of the criteria air pollutants that is defined by the EPA. So as you recall from our reading, air pollution consists of a mixture of contaminants. So people's susceptibility to the various health effects from outdoor air pollution can vary. Young people, the elderly, people with predisposed diseases, and workers who work in certain industries are at a much higher risk. Also, people living in cities, specifically mega cities, are at higher risk. And so while air pollution levels have been decreasing in developed countries like the United States, in recent years, they have been increasing in developing countries. So the highest levels of particulate matter are found in Asian, African, and Latin American countries. And in poor city neighborhoods, especially in these countries, there's a greater health inequity because often these neighborhoods are located near a lot of environmental hazards like power plants, industrial complexes, and highways, which contribute to a lot of outdoor air pollution. The World Health Organization has set air quality guidelines that are the international reference on the adverse effects of air pollutant exposure on human health. Sadly, the average particulate air pollution levels in a lot of developing countries are 4 to 15 times higher than what the guideline levels are. And then recent data has shown that even at low concentration levels of air pollutants, there can still be a lot of adverse health effects. And this is why the most recent guidelines set by the World Health Organization are even stricter than they used to be when they were originally set. So with all the scientific evidence we have showing the association between outdoor air pollutants and the adverse health effects, and having these established air quality guidelines, public health policies need to be established and developed. So these policies, when developed, should be in support of energy efficient transport, healthy urban planning, improving slums, these poorer neighborhoods, building energy efficient housing, and then also improving urban waste management because incineration of solid waste is another big contributor to outdoor air pollution. Also, air pollution monitoring, forecasting, and reporting is really important to keep the public aware of outdoor air pollution. There's actually many air quality phone apps that people can download to be able to get real-time monitoring of outdoor air pollutants. So this is a great way for the public to become more aware so that they can not only protect themselves from outdoor air pollution, but also so that they can join the fight in getting better public health policies. So thanks so much for watching. I've really enjoyed being in this class with all of you.